Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. My name is Sarb Johal, and firstly I want to thank all of you who are watching today and have subscribed too. The last time I let you know what was going on, I had just broken through the 50 subscriber mark. Well, I have over 100 subscribers now. I think last count was 141. It goes up and down a little bit, but I'm so happy to have reached that mark, and I couldn't have done it without you, so thank you so much. I just wanted to put that out there. The other thing I wanted to catch you up on is an exciting development for me and this channel. You may or may not know that I run a successful podcast which you can find on iTunes and all other podcast aggregators out there called Who Cares? What's the Point? Where I interview psychologists from all around the world about what they're interested in and why we should care about what they're doing. Now, I've done 5 seasons of this show, and you can see some of these shows on my YouTube channel, like this one on creepiness, what it is and what seems to creep us out. Or this one on the psychological effects of climate change and how it affects you, whether you believe in climate change or not. Well, I'm bringing my show over to YouTube, and the exciting news is that I will be live streaming the show on my channel. I'll let you know more as I get closer to the launch time, but I expect the first live stream to go out at around about the end of June, beginning of July. And I've already got a couple of previous guests who I've had on the show who are keen to help me kick off the channel live stream event. So I'm really pleased about that and excited to. But in the meantime, I'll be putting out more content from my past 5 seasons of the show, like this episode, that you can see right up here on the cards now on the surprising secret benefits of worrying. Well, that's my news for now. Thanks again to all you lovely subscribers and for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the button on the bottom right left of this video's little red button. It would be great to have you join me on this channel as a regular subscriber, and I'm very excited to start live streaming at the end of this month or the beginning of July. But stay tuned in the meantime for lots more psychology, travel and gear videos in the meantime. In fact, you might like this video coming up right now on sleep paralysis, what it is and how we can explain it. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Go well and see you soon.